Hello, welcome to another Sammers video. I'm going to be following an actual makeup tutorial because this girl knows what she's doing and I didn't in my makeup tutorial because I didn't even tell you any of the products I was using. So how are you supposed to recreate it at home? I don't know, guess? Or her channel name is Superkicks and Lipstick, and she has a bunch of WWE superstar inspired makeup looks, which was really difficult for me to say. A link to her channel is in the description. Okay, let's get into this tutorial, shall we? She uses an eye primer and a light shade of eyeshadow, and she already did her face makeup, so how am I? Okay. So I'm gonna just do my face makeup. I use Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue in the shade Birch 1.5. I'm gonna just take a dollop and I use my witch fingers and just slam it all over my face. Okay, so now she takes the eyelid primer, which I don't have. I'll just use concealer. I have this e.l.f. double-sided concealer stick in the shade Under Eye Concealer. There's no shade name. So once you put the liquid on, just set your eyes with a nude hued eyeshadow. I don't have much eyeshadow because I don't know how to use it. So I'm gonna use this shade in this e.l.f. palette. The next step. Okay, so she takes a very bright purple eyeshadow. She's putting it in the crease. Very much blending. She used a shade that was discontinued, which isn't fair because how am I supposed to find how to do your look if your shade is discontinued? So I found this NYX. Actually, this shade might be discontinued also because it was on sale for like $1. I'm using NYX. Oh my god, this might not even be purple. Hot Singles eyeshadow in the shade Pink Lady. It looks pretty much purple. We're just gonna go with it. And you just put it all up in your crease. Purple on my eye, doesn't it? I just look like I have pink eye. So I guess after you feel like you've stabbed yourself around the eye a sufficient number of times, move on. Oh, now you take a deeper shade of purple and you do the same thing. You do the same thing. Okay, so you do the same thing with another purple. NYX Full Throttle in the compilation Bossy. I'm gonna use this one. Clean my brush off of this other color because I don't have that many makeup brushes. Go into this other purple and do the same thing but still make the other colors show. Okay. I wish I could have found like bright purples like she had, but I guess I only went to one store. Maybe if you actually like tried, you could do it. I think I have two black eyes. I'm a fighter. Okay, now she goes in with black, and this is where shit gets crazy. So she's putting the black goes on the eyelid. But this is another e.l.f. palette. Basically, it's just a matte black all over the lid. I sound like such a beauty guru. She really packs it on like this, like this. Oh no, that didn't show up at all. I heard a trick on my beauty YouTubes. You take a spray and you spray your brush and then you put it in the eyeshadow, and that can make it really pigmented is a word I hear. Spray my brush, dip it in. Oh, it's dripping. This isn't fancy. Okay, we're really gonna pack it. Like, is that? Like, I guess that. It looks like my eyeball's wearing a top hat. Okay, let's do the other eye. Spray, spray, spray. Dip, dip, dip. How do you do the makeup? This eye doesn't look that bad except for that spot I fucked up. Oh, what the hell though? How do you fix this? Dark under eye circles. Okay, so she does this, the black, and that's to make the purple that she puts on top really pop. She uses a different shade of purple, but again, I couldn't find any purple eyeshadows because who wears purple eyeshadow, and puts the purple on top of the black. And I'm gonna choose this shimmery shade that kind of looks pink, but I'm gonna use it as purple, and I'm gonna spray my brush again, go into it, and put it on top of the black. I'm nervous. It looks gross. It doesn't look like hers. It looks like throw up. Maybe I'm just colorblind. Okay, now we take our beauty blender and just clean up. Mine isn't a beauty blender, it's a knockoff, but it's still okay. She's just using a black eyeliner and going all over the eyeball. Yep, under the eye. Wet n Wild Mega Last.
Baka precisa duas ursul limpador android igra isuchular poderafit palmes lento e consumer of bacteria.
Take our black eyeliner and black is black, and we're just gonna fuck shit up and look really scary and cool. Oh, I got it on my nose. Oh, now she takes the eyeliner and puts it in her eyebrows. Make your eyebrows look kind of crazy because the Undertaker is the undead and he doesn't care what his eyebrows look like. Why does it look like this? Okay, moving on. Now she's using more eyeliner, a more intense look by using liquid eyeliner. e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in jet black. Hot. Now she's using a red lip liner and putting it under her eye. ColourPop lippy pencil in the shade Notion, and she literally is just like smudging it under her eyeliner like this. Whoa. Okay, I see it. Oh, but now she uses her liquid lip and adds more like down her cheek too. Okay. NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade Budapest. Next, stop, please. Back to the purple eyeshadow under the eyeballs. Okay, now we take the purple and we put it under the eyeballs. This one again. Oh, there's so much eye product in my eyeballs. And now, thank goodness, she decides not to put on false lashes and she's only using mascara. Wet n Wild Max Fanatic Cat Eye Mascara. I don't know what shade, it doesn't say, but it's black. Alright, now we take white concealer and put it on our nose and our forehead area. I'm guessing is sort of a highlight. Also on our lips. You know I love putting concealer on my lips. Okay, let's do this. e.l.f. contour stick in this white shade. I can dig this pale look. Oh, alright, what's next? We have to contour. Carving a cheekbone into your face and other areas to make you look skinnier. NYX contour palette. And you just carve out and you blend it. I also got this contour from Wet n Wild in the shade Oaks on You, so I'm gonna try this on the other side of my face. It was very orange, so I don't know. Doesn't look good. I regret contouring. Okay, which side looks better? Now that contouring's done and failed, we are going to take a dark red lip, but only put it in the middle of our inside of our lip. Okay, that works. My NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Budapest. Put it on the inside middle, sort of. Kind of like that, I guess. Oh, that's it. Okay, all right. Now she has a fancy, cute hat for her Undertaker look, but I have a top hat. And now you take a bunch of slow motion shots of looking just gorgeous. I have this eyebrow stuff all over my face, everywhere.